you, Leah.
No,
I'm
no.
gonna take you out. I'm gonna get you, Leah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna whoop you now. I'm gonna get you now. We get better every day. All right, you guys, on the leg. Here we
You
go.
would never
Lanes
whip me,
1,
would
2,
you?
3, and 4.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Why did she beat you in push-ups?
Push him, baby. Push him, man. Make my boy do some work there, please, man.
Sarge, she's gonna take him.
Look at the pass. Look at taking time. Look at that girl go, man. Where did she come from? Holy moly. Oh, come on, parents. Make a little noise there. Get off those text boxes, Victor. Come on, cheer these kids on. Come on, cheer them on. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nice job. You're getting ready to get past, dude. No, this is the finish right here. Good job, bro. You got some wheels, man. Nice job. Good job, Michael. Yeah, Isaac, finish line's up here.
Okay, how was it?
They are quick.